हेलो टू एवरीवन। आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं नेचर ऑफ मैटर। क्लास 11th का हम सिलेबस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं केमिस्ट्री का। सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेचर ऑफ मैटर। व्हाट इज मैटर? मैटर क्या होता है? एनीथिंग दैट हैज मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस इज कॉल्ड मैटर। हैविंग मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस is called matter. For example, book, pen, table, iron, iron rod, water, air, etc. These are matter. Second, we will discuss energy. What is energy? We cannot see energy, but we know light and heat. Light and heat are the common form of energies. Form of energy. Light energy, heat energy. Now next, type of matter. Matter, it has two types, that is physical classification and chemical. And chemical classification. So first we will discuss physical classification. In physical classification, matter can be three types, that is solid state, second is liquid state, and third one is gaseous state. Now first we will discuss solid state. Solid state, in which particles, or in which we say particles are closely packed, having no space between these particles. Here, for example, these are solid shape and particles are this. This is arranged in this, according to this, having no space between them. So we can say that these have strong attractive force. Strong attractive force. And for this arrangement, solids are rigid and hard. Rigid and hard, and it has definite volume and shape. Definite volume and shape. For example, wood. Second is table, that is solid. Copper rod, it is also solid. Now second is liquid state. Liquid state. In liquid state, a liquid has a definite volume but not a definite shape. For example, water. Water have no definite shape but its definite volume. So, can written as have definite shape, definite volume, but not definite shape. As compared to solid, it has less attractive force. As compared to solid, it has less attractive force. So their particles are not closely packed. It is little bit space in these particles. So these are liquid state. For example, water, milk, oil, etc. अगर आपको इसकी पीडीएफ चाहिए, रिटर्न नोट्स चाहिए, तो आप मेरी साइट पे जाके देख सकते हैं. साइट है मेरी knowledgeroom.blogspot.com. और मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी ये लिंक दे दूंगी, तो आप वहां पे जाके जो भी वीडियो में मैं करवाऊंगी उसके डेली नोट्स आपको वहां पे मिल जाएंगे. तो नेक्स्ट लिक्विड स्टेट हो गई. नेक्स्ट वन इज गैसियस स्टेट. In gaseous state is third. So here gaseous state. Gaseous state, a gas neither possesses a definite shape or definite volume. Not definite shape and not definite volume. Okay, so for example, air, hydrogen, that is also gas. Oxygen is gas, or gas has not definite volume and definite shape. So their molecules are loosely packed. So these are containers. So volume are occupy all shapes and compressed it. So it can be collected. So this is gaseous form, in which attractive force is more less than liquid. So if order of attractive force is equal to solid state has more attractive force than liquid, then gaseous. Okay, gaseous state. So next अब हम बात करते हैं मैटर. मैटर किससे बने होते हैं? पार्टिकल से. और पार्टिकल्स की अरेंजमेंट हमने सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैसियस स्टेट में देख चुके हैं. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट solid. When solid is heated, it converts into liquid, and further liquid is heated, then it converts into gaseous form. When gaseous form is cool, so it converts into liquid, and liquid convert into solid during cool. Okay, so next, in which we can say example water. In solid state it is ice, and then it is heated, then it is liquid, that is water, and then it is vapor. Okay, so next we will discuss chemical classification of matter. Chemical classification of matter. Chemical classification are two types, that is mixture and pure substance. Pure substance. Here mixture is further two types, homogeneous mixture homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. First we will discuss mixture. Here mixture, two or more substance present in it, any ratio. Two or more substance present in it in any ratio is called mixture. मिक्सचर मैटर, इसमें मैटर और सब्सटेंस एक ही चीज है, हम सब्सटेंस की जगह मैटर भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, द सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट इन द मिक्सचर आर कॉल्ड कंपोनेंट्स. अगर किसी मिक्सचर में सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, वो उससे क्या है, कंपोनेंट. ओके, जिससे हम एक वाटर ले रहे हैं, एक ग्लास में वाटर लिया और उसमें हमने शुगर को डिसॉल्व किया, दैट इज शुगर. So sugar is the component of solution. Next we will discuss here homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, the component completely mixed with each other. For like when we will dissolve sugar and in water, so it dissolved completely, so it is called homogeneous mixture. तो हम इस जो मिक्सचर है इसको हम नेक्ड आई से नहीं देख सकते, तो इसलिए ये होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर है. और अगर हम उसको नेक्ड आई से देख सकते हैं तो वो हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर है. हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर के लिए हम एग्जांपल कर ले सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट हियर हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. Heterogeneous mixture like water and dissolve it sand. और सैंड जो है वो वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होती, तो इसमें क्या बन जाते हैं, टू फेजेस बन जाते हैं, एक वाटर और एक सैंड. तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. और हम इसको नेक्ड आई से भी देख सकते हैं. इट कैन बी सीन इन विद नेक्ड आई. ओके, so this is heterogeneous mixture, sand हो गया. Next one is pure substance. Pure substance is, it consists the single type of particle. Pure substance, it consists single type of particle. For example, copper metal is a single type of particle that is called pure substance. Aluminium, silver, gold, these are pure substance. और हम वाटर को भी प्योर सब्सटेंस बोल सकते हैं, जबकि इसमें हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन दोनों होते हैं, बट इन द सेम रेशो, इन द पर्टिकुलर रेशो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाटर 2 and oxygen is 16, so 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, so its fixed ratio is 1:8. So it's called pure substance. अगेन हम फर्दर एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी क्या है, एक फिक्स प्योर सब्सटेंस है जो फिक्स रेशियो में रहता है, 3:16. नेक्स्ट इज ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकोज की एग्जांपल भी ले सकते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन, बट इन फिक्स्ड रेशियो, ऑलवेज इन फिक्स्ड रेशियो, सो इट इज कॉल्ड प्योर सब्सटेंस. नेक्स्ट, substance. Type of substance, here substance is, first is element, second is compound, and third one is mixture. तो मिक्सचर की बात हम कर चुके हैं. तो मिक्सचर वही है, मिक्सचर टू टाइप के होता है, होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर एंड हेट्रोजेनियस मिक्सचर. तो हेट्रोजेनियस मिक्सचर में टू टाइप्स के टू कंपोनेंट होते, टू और मोर कंपोनेंट होते हैं जिनको हम नेक्ड डाई से देख सकते हैं, फेजेस होते हैं इसमें, और होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर बिल्कुल डिसॉल्व हो जाता है कंपोनेंट, तो इसको हम नेक्ड डाई से नहीं देख सकते। तो फर्स्ट हम डिस्कस करते हैं एलिमेंट। एलिमेंट इज अ सिंपलर फॉर्म ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस, और इसको हम फर्दर सिंपलर नहीं कर सकते, दैट इज कॉल्ड एलिमेंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, these are element। अभी जो एलिमेंट है 114 एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट हैं नेचर में, और 92 एलिमेंट हैं नेचुरल, और रिमेनिंग क्या है, जो रिमेनिंग है वो प्रिपेयर किए गए हैं लेबोरेटरी में। so this is element। एलिमेंट फर्दर एलिमेंट्स की टाइप है, फर्स्ट इज मेटल, सेकंड इज नॉन मेटल, and third one is metalloid। So first we will discuss metal। Metal is hard, solid and lustrous। Lustrous means it is shining surface and ability to conduct electricity and heat। It is malleable। Malleable means it convert into sheets। Malleable and ductile। Ductile means it convert into wire। So next is non-metal। Non-metal is not lustrous, not hard, not solid। मेटल की एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास एल्यूमिनियम, मेटल की एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास एल्यूमिनियम, सिल्वर, आयरन। और नॉन मेटल है हमारे पास जो नॉन लस्ट्रस होते हैं, पुअर कंडक्टर है हीट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के, एंड इसकी एग्जाम्पल है ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन, बिकॉज इट इज इन गैसियस फॉर्म, सो इट इज नॉट नॉन मेटल। Next, it metalloid। Metalloids are having both character, metal and non-metal. For example, silicon, bismuth and antimony। So it is metal, it is metalloid having both character, metal and non-metal. It is also called semiconductor। Okay, next we will discuss compound। In compound, a substance which is obtained, first we will write here compound, substance which is obtained by the union of two or more elements, for example Na is sodium, that is element, and Cl is chlorine, it is element, and form compound NaCl. It form when compound is forming two or more elements, it is called compound, and it is separated by chemical method, but element cannot be separated by or break by chemical method. Here compounds example is water, NaCl, C6H12O6 is glucose. So these are compounds. And next one is compound is two types, inorganic and organic compound. In inorganic compound, it is made from non-living sources. Non-living sources like minerals, marble, soda, etc. An organic compound is formed organic compound is formed by living sources, that is carbohydrates, oil, fats, waxes, etc. So एक बार हम रिकॉल कर लेते हैं हमने क्या क्या आज पढ़ा. So here first topic क्या है हमारा, nature of matter, in which this is from class 11, subject is chemistry. So first, what is matter? Matter having mass and occupy space is called matters. For example, book, pen, table, iron rod, water, air, etc. And energy क्या होती है? Energy हम देख नहीं सकते, but it form of light and heat. Next, matter having two classification, physical classification and chemical classification. In physical classification, there are solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. And solid state, here particles closely packed having strong attractive force. These are rigid and hard. It has definite volume and definite shape. For example, wood, table, copper rod, etc. And the arrangement is like this. Next is liquid state, have definite volume, not definite shape. Have definite volume but not definite shape. It has less attractive force rather than solid state. So it is known as water, milk, oil, etc. Next is gaseous state. इसके जो particles हैं बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं, far away. So because therefore its attractive force is more less than liquid and solid. Now it has no definite shape and definite volume. And next one is solid can be converted into liquid by heating, and liquid can be converted into gas by heating, and gas convert into liquid by cooling, and liquid convert to solid it can by cooling. So for example, for most important example and easiest example is water. Water's has three states. Solid is ice, liquid is water and gaseous is vapor. So next one is chemical classification of matter, in which mixture and pure substance. Mixture further classification have homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In the mixture, two or more substance present in it, any ratio is called a mixture. Here, mixture is homogeneous mixture is which for like sugar dissolved in water, it is completely dissolved, so it is called homogeneous mixture. It cannot seen by naked eye. And next one is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture can be seen by naked eye and it has two or more phases. For example, when I dissolve sand into water, so it cannot be dissolved completely or not dissolved. So it form two phases, sand and water. So it is heterogeneous mixture. Next we will discuss pure substance. It consists single type of particle, for example copper, aluminium, silver, gold. It has only one particle or one type of substance. For further we can say water is also pure substance because it can be found in the fixed ratio having two elements, but it can found in the fixed ratio, so it can be called pure substance. For example, carbon dioxide and glucose also in fixed ratio, so it can be called pure substance. Next one is substance. It has three types: element, compound and mixture. Here element is a simpler form of any matter. It cannot be further simpler form. For example, element is, for example, hydrogen, oxygen. An element has three types: metal, non-metal and Metalloid, here metals are solid in nature, hard in nature, and lustrous. Lustrous means shining nature, and it conducts electricity and good conductor of heat also. And it can be malleable. Malleable means it converted into sheet, and ductile means it converted into wire. For example, copper wire used in electricity wire, and these are good conductor of electricity. Here for further example of aluminium, aluminium used for crockery, and iron also used for crockery for a good because of good conductor of heat. Now next is non-metal, is not hard, not solid, not lustrous, not good conductor of heat or electricity. Its example is oxygen, nitrogen, and further is metalloid. Metalloid is also called semiconductor. Semiconductor, for example, silicon, bismuth, antimony, but metalloids are those having both character, metal and non-metal. So these are called metalloid. And next one is compound. Compound having two types, that is organic compound and inorganic compound. Here inorganic compound, first is what is compound? Compound made from two or more elements, that is called compound. So here is one element is sodium and second element is chlorine. Here two elements used to give sodium chloride, that is a common salt, and it is called compound. Here further example of compound is water, sodium chloride and glucose. Here inorganic compound is inorganic compound obtained from non-living sources. For example, minerals, water, minerals, that is non-living substance. And next we will discuss here organic compounds are obtained from living sources like carbohydrates, oil, fats, waxes, etc. So I hope guys you understood this video and beneficial for you. So please subscribe my channel and share and like also, और share करो जो भी +1 में है जिनका भी सेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है. So हम टॉपिक टू टॉपिक वाइज चलेंगे, ठीक है, और +1 का सिलेबस जल्दी हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. So अगर आपको इसके नोट्स चाहिए, हैंड रिटन नोट्स, वो आपको मिल जाएंगे इस साइट पे knowledgeroom2020.blogspot.com. यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगे और ये वाला लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी डाल दूंगी ताकि आपको इजीली सर्च करने में हेल्प मिले. So guys, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.